the moment that you get diagnosed with cancer, which is one of the biggest hoax in the world.
Talk about that.
Cancer is amazing detoxification symptoms. When you look at cancer, they talk about mutagens, or they talk about how cells coagulate themselves together, and then it's a process called cellular mitosis or cellular meiosis. And all this means is the dividing of a cell. In order for a cell to replicate itself, it have to divide itself. Each cell have a cell cycle of 70 divisions. So a cell will actually divide itself 70 times and replicate itself before it dies and make a new cell through something called deoxyribonucleic acid. It takes a photographic picture of itself called ribonucleic acid, or what they call RNA. And then after that, it gives birth through a ribosome. So the body is made of 150 trillion cells when it comes to black people, or so-called black people, because black is the color of a crown. So if you look at Caucasians, their body is about 37 to 50 trillion cells. So we have a lot of more cells than them. But when you look at these cells and you put a cell under a microscope, these cells have something called organelles, just like your body have something called organs. So an organ would be a liver, an organ would be your intestines, an organ would be a heart, an organ would be a respiratory system in your lungs. Your cells have the same exact organs, but they called organelle. So if you can get constipated at a body level, on a macro level, then that means you can get constipated on a micro level. If you can have a heart attack, which I need to quit saying the word heart attack, because I didn't have a heart attack. I physically attacked my heart by eating the wrong foods and living in the wrong environment. So I want to set that straight too. I didn't have a heart attack. I attacked my heart for living the lifestyle that I was living. And that's the whole thing. We have to quit acting like our bodies are enemies to ourselves. No, our bodies is what we living in. These are temples. We are enemies to our own bodies, and our bodies are breaking down through this healing process called detoxification. We have been taught that this detoxification process is disease when it's not.